For the manual installation, you'll go to the mod itself and download this jar. This will take a while because it's very big for a mod. Meanwhile, you already can press Windows and R to get to your Minecraft mods folder. You need to go to %appdata%.minecraft and you will be here. This should look somewhat like this. That's the entire Minecraft folder. You'll need to go into mods and drag your file inside the mods folder. Now, TBS also requires some dependencies. Because of that, I recommend you using the Modrinth or CurseForge app. But the dependencies are also listed here. You need Kotlin for Forge, Geckolib, and fzzy config. Also download that for 121.1 NeoForge. Now you also drag those into here. And you should be ready, almost, because you need NeoForge. You go to the other versions and to the version list and select 1.21.1 for the latest Neo version and click download. Now you will need to run this file. For that you will need to have Java installed on your computer, not Minecraft Java Edition, but the Java program itself. I recommend using Adoptium. Just click on download and you'll have the latest LTS version. Now this window will pop up. Everything should be configured correctly already, so you can just click on proceed and it will install NeoForge for you. So now it's installed, you will see this pop up. It will close itself and then you can open the Minecraft launcher. You should already have the new NeoForge installation. We're just going to start that. Click this checkbox and play. And there is your NeoForge. Yes, so now you'll see TBS is installed correctly. As for the configuration, it is here in mods. Click on the broken script and down here is the config. We will talk about this later though. By the way, if you're seeing that you can't click the quit game button, just press Alt F4. If you don't have the CurseForge app, you can download it here. Please choose the standalone version, that's much more stable in my opinion, because it doesn't launch Overwolf, that's like an app store. Create a new instance, name it whatever you want, set it on 1.21.1 NeoForge and click on create. This will install NeoForge automatically. Now, as I've told you, you should not use the CurseForge TBS because it's heavily outdated. Yeah, that's an old version. On Modrinth we already have 1.9.7, so here download that again. You can already install the dependencies in the instance, Kotlin, Geckolib, and the fzzy config. Also some performance mods that you should use are probably Sodium and Iris for shaders if you want that, just for better performance. And that's basically your Modpack. So what many people asked as well is how to get the broken script from Modrinth into here. You'll have to wait until the installation is done so you can see the 3 dots here. So now you have the 3 dots here. You can just click on open folder and here's your Modpack folder. You just go into your downloads again and move the mod inside the mods folder. That's it. Now, this is some interesting stuff because people try to upload the files onto CurseForge that are not available on CurseForge officially to kind of steal the points and the money of the broken script. It's also completely fine if the file that you downloaded doesn't appear here in the list. That means it's still there, but there's no CurseForge version for it. That's nothing to worry about. Now you can press on play again, and there it is. Now again, mods, we have the broken script here. Here's the config. And now the easiest thing of all is doing that directly in Modrinth. For that you need the Modrinth app as well. So download that and install it. When you're in the Modrinth app, you click on the plus here, create a new instance for NeoForge 1.21.1 again, and call it whatever you want. Now, the only thing you need to do here is search for the broken script and press on install. Now, the nicest thing about this is it will install the 3 dependencies as well automatically. Yeah, there you can see it. Now again, you can download Sodium, Iris, also memory usage optimizations, Ferrite Core, entity culling, whatever you want. Basically everything on the top here, mostly everything, are performance mods, so just give it a try. And then you will just click on play here, and it should look exactly the same as on CurseForge and the Minecraft launcher. Many people asked me, what is the difference between the broken script and the Lost World modpack? Or rather, they thought the Lost World modpack is the actual broken script, which is wrong. Because the modpack itself is a pack of mods that I put together. I can show you that in CurseForge. So here, that's a modpack. You have those mods in here, and just one of them is the broken script. And you should definitely not try to download the zip file from here and put it into your mods folder. That's not going to work. If you ever see such a zip file and you try to open it, you will see mostly 3 files in there. Here, modlist, manifest, overrides. That's a CurseForge modpack. Either you download the file yourself and import it here, choose zip file, press on that and open, or you actually go on browse or discover, that's pretty much the same thing, and search for Lost World. So that's the modpack. Now on to updating modpacks. If there is an update for a modpack available and you hover over it, you'll see those arrows. You can either select the version you want to update to or automatically update to the latest version. And this will update your entire modpack without deleting your world, without deleting your config files, without deleting your settings. This will just update the mods that I put into the modpack. Same goes for Modrinth. You will see an update pack here. and you can choose the next version or the latest one, which will be on top, and that will download it. So in mods here, the broken script config. So client config, difference between client and common. Client is the client side thing, like the window you're running it on. And common config is for the worlds and servers. So client config, disable crashes. I've put that on true. Enable window shake when circuit gets you. Enable VHS overlay, I've also turned that off. Onto the common config. Random events and stuff. So I've turned that off in general because I'm making the mod pack and not wanting to get jump scared by anything while I do that. So this stuff here has tooltips, descriptions. That should be self-explanatory. Enable cheats, that is turned off by default, I think. That's the thing that doesn't let you change game modes or anything. You can search for stuff, and here are the enabled events. So you can toggle on and off all the different events and chat responses. You can disable them just by clicking them. Same goes for here. If you made changes, you can apply them, but I think it saves automatically.